If YouTube TV can't find your location, you may lose local channels or see error messages. This problem usually happens because of blocked permissions, Wi-Fi issues, or device settings. Here's how to fix it quickly. Start by opening YouTube TV and going to your profile. Select Settings, then choose Area. If the app asks for permission to use your location, allow it. Without location access, YouTube TV cannot verify where you are. Next, make sure your device location services are turned on. On phones, open your device settings and turn on Location or GPS. On smart TVs, open the system settings and enable any location or privacy option related to broadcasting. Now check your Wi-Fi connection. YouTube TV uses your internet provider to confirm your location. Make sure you are connected to your home Wi-Fi network, not a hotspot or guest network. If you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. These services hide your real location and often cause this problem. On a computer, visit the YouTube TV website, open your browser settings, and enable location access for the site. Then refresh the page. If you recently moved, you may need to update your home area using a computer inside tv.youtube.com under Settings, followed by Area and then Home Area. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.